What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best mechanical numeric keypad you can add to your setup today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the MotoSpeed K24. Let's get started. Product feature: dedicated calculator key. Features a specific shortcut key that gives you instant access to your computer's calculator, making daily data tasks much faster. Effortless setup. The plug-and-play USB interface means you can simply connect the device and start working immediately without any drivers or software. Durable Autemu switches. Equipped with high-quality mechanical switches tested for 50 million keystrokes to ensure long-lasting responsiveness and reliability. Vibrant lighting options. Easily switch between random colorful effects and 9 beautiful monochrome lighting modes by using the FN plus asterisk command. Adjustable animation speeds. Customize the flow of your setup with 5 different lighting speeds that can be toggled quickly using the FN plus H shortcut. Classic factory presets. Use the FN plus 7 shortcut to instantly set a clean professional white light on the 2, 4, 6, 8 keys for a traditional aesthetic. Custom light recording. Personalize your space by recording your own light patterns. Assign any of the 10 colors to specific keys via the FN plus 1 mode. Pros. You will truly appreciate how this keypad brings a sense of ease and rhythm to your workday. The mechanical switches provide a satisfying tactile click that makes every entry feel precise and intentional. It's more than just a tool, it's a way to brighten your desk with personalized colors that reflect your unique personality while significantly boosting your efficiency. Cons. Because this is a specialized numeric device, it does require a wired USB connection, which adds one more cable to your workspace. Additionally, the mechanical switches are quite clicky, which feels amazing but might be a bit noticeable if you were working in a very quiet shared office or a library environment. Final thoughts. Choosing tools that make you feel good while you work is so important for your focus and happiness. This keypad is a wonderful companion that blends professional precision with a touch of fun through its customizable lights. It's built to last and designed to support you through every deadline, giving you the confidence to tackle your tasks with style and comfort every day. Upgrade your productivity game right now. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video to join our community. See you in the next one.